ice is melted. So my experimental setup here is a bucket of ice going into a box fan with a thermometer 5 feet in front of it and 5 feet behind it. And we'll see what the actual affected air temperature is by the magical copper and ice. I don't think it's going to be worth it. Air temperature coming out of the fan is 85. Water is down to 51. Water intake is 57. And my air temperature 5 feet away has not moved. Yeah, the copper pipe is certainly cold, but the air is barely any different. I'm at 85 degrees a foot away from it. 86 degrees. 88 degrees. Went down 1/10 of a degree, 91.8 at 4 minutes. Other thermometer says it's 90 at the same point. So what this is telling me is that while this is a cute looking setup that's very fancy looking, that it doesn't actually really do anything.